How to rename your mobile hotspot in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to change the network name and password to something you prefer. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Network and Internet in the left sidebar. After that, click on Mobile Hotspot on the right side of the screen. At this point, click the Edit button under the Network Properties section. From here, a small window will pop up showing your current network name and password. Following this, tap on the Network Name field and clear the existing name, then type in whatever you want your hotspot to be called. After that, if you also want to update your password while you're here, tap on the Network Password field and type in a new one. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long. From here, once you've made your changes, click Save to confirm, and your hotspot will immediately start broadcasting under the new name. Finally, keep in mind that any devices previously connected to your hotspot will need to reconnect using the new name and password, since the old details will no longer work. That's how you rename your mobile hotspot in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.